a surprise live.
Hi.
Hey! Let's see who's up at 7:30 in the morning. So ladies, I'm here. We're very cozy today. Oh, hello! People are awake! So we're doing a little surprise live here. I'm here with Jen from Aroma Shop. And today, I didn't really promote this one big time. We've been so busy with the fashion and jewelry, but we're just gonna do a mini live. Hi, Deb. Hi. We're doing a mini live today to introduce a few new products that you have created and want to feature. Good morning, everyone. Wow, long time no see. I was up until 4. And then up again at 10. I know. I'm going to sleep like a baby tonight. I'm going to tell you that much. Hi, Friday. So I'm here with Jan. It's awful early. I know. Surprise. Good morning. Hope you're enjoying your tea and coffee. So I'm here with Jan, ladies. We're just going to do a mini live. We can take orders now. We're going to take orders later. You're going to get another shipment ready for me to go next week. And we just want to talk about some very cool new products that you have created. So, starting with, this is kind of a miracle blur situation.
Yeah.
The Velvet Diffuse Veil. It comes in 3 shades, and you're going to talk about it, and then I will take your orders now or later, give you the pricing. What is this all about?
Okay.
Give me the
This
deal.
is a special product that actually covers open pores. It even diffuses the appearance of fine lines.
Yeah.
So it's a diffuser. It's not a makeup.
Okay.
So even though this color here, for example, is dark, it doesn't go on dark. Now, these are based on, the pigments are based on our actual product. So this Brighten Up one is actually got a lot of the yellow concealer in. That's why it works. So
Love
I use
yellow
it.
Concealer.
All today on my face, on the actual face, is I just got these products on. So this I use around open pore areas to brighten up any area of the face that I want to brighten up. It's as I said, it's not a covering. It's a skin-friendly ingredient. So it goes on. The way we do it, this is just a sample area here. I literally take a little bit out. I'm using the back of the thing here.
Tweezers.
Tweezers. And it looks like it's thick.
Yeah.
And then you just pat it onto your skin.
Okay.
And then it melts into your skin. And you can, of course, smooth the edges. But then it starts to dry on the skin as well. So it acts as a natural diffuser for any fine lines. It doesn't take the place of your foundation, but they're great if you're traveling and you want a quick fix.
So you don't want to bring the whole brush and business and everything with
so
you.
this Sun Glow is based on the Sun Glow bronzer. So it does exactly the same thing, except it's, again, in a handy travel kit, basically.
Okay, I need those.
And I've put a little bit here, for example, a little bit around here. And these can all be used even on the eyes. Like I've got a little bit on my eyelid here.
Oh, wow. Okay, so it's a multi-purpose.
So we chose the 3 out of 9 that we carry. This is Blossom, which is the same color as the lipstick. And also the lip pencil.
Good morning, Carolyn.
And it's not as strong. Again, you could use it as a blush. You can use it on your lips if you want like a no look lipstick look. That's why I suggested with the pencil, because it makes it a little bit darker.
Yeah, so just like a little lip tint, and then you can use a little on your cheeks.
And you can use it on your cheeks and to warm up your face. As I said, it doesn't go on as bright as what they show in here.
Yeah. Okay, I like that idea for travel a lot, because sometimes I don't want to bring everything with me.
Yeah.
So guys, they are $59. So we have the Brighten Up, which is kind of mimics the highlighter.
Yeah.
The concealer. And then the Sun Glow kind of mimics the bronzer idea. And then the Blossom is for lips and cheeks. So they are $59. It's called the Velvet Diffuse Veil. So new product.
And they can be used on the eyes.
Yeah.
For example, the Brighten Up, I sometimes use underneath my eye makeup because it gets rid of any redness as well.
Beautiful.
And evens out. And it's, as I said, it's not, it doesn't clog the pores at all. Very skin friendly and pure and natural.
Yeah. And by the way, Jan's products are all that I use, 100%. So you all know, sorry, I'm just going to reach here. The cream, of course, which I do have a lot of stock in back home in Canada. So I've got stock for you in that. I've got stock for you in mascara. So I owe some of you a mascara, I know. We had a little package get lost, unfortunately.
Yeah.
So they're coming in my suitcase and that will not get lost. So we've got mascaras, we've got creams in stock. So we're talking today about the Velvet Diffuse Veil. And then we wanted to just point out, I have these in stock as well, the lip liner. So this is the nice bright pinky one. Today I've actually got Summer Bloom on. Yeah, mixed with the nude lip liner. But I also often wear this one, which is a really bright one. Hi Corolla, hi Cam Carts.
Great for spring and summer.
Great, I love this color. It makes me feel alive when I put that on. If I'm really tired, which I am today, as you can imagine, I like to put that one on. So, and then it goes so nicely with the Blossom for the lips and cheeks. So again, these are really great for travel, ladies. If you don't want to bring all of your,
I just put the Blossom on the back of my...
Oh, that's pretty.
Yeah.
Yeah, so pretty. It's such a nice shade. If you don't want to bring all your powders with you and your brushes with you, just bring one of these. I think my next trip I'm going to do that and just use a little bronzer, a little color, a little concealer, and away I go. And then, of course, my favorite mascara. So then we have another new product, the deodorant.
Yeah.
Okay, and some of my customers have already been asking for this because they follow you, and you should all follow Aroma Shop, by the way, and I'll tag Jen in this later. So let's talk about the deodorant.
Okay, we have citrus, which is with the lemon and grapefruit essential oils, and we've got a little bit of carrot root in there.
Hi,
so
Erin.
you see a
Good
little
morning.
bit of yellow.
Yeah.
And lavender. Now these are the pure therapeutic grade essential oils. And these, what's beautiful about these deodorants, so you take a little bit out, you put a little bit under your armpit, and it dries. So you have no staining of anything at all. Again, it's very friendly to the skin and very detoxing for the body as well, the citrus is. The lavender, because it's got true lavender in, is also calming to the body. So if you're stressed, you would want to use your lavender deodorant.
Okay.
And also it helps with the lymphatic flow in the body. And it also has castor oil in, which is also detoxifying for the body.
Yeah.
So they are 100% again natural castor oil, baking soda, zinc, etc. And they smell divine.
Oh, nice. Okay, so the deodorants, ladies, are $29. So we have the citrus and we have the lavender. So you can order now, you can order later after you wake up a little bit and watch this. And we're going to put a nice order together next week and have a new shipment on the way to Canada with all the new products. Okay, product number 7 today is the Rose Body Powder. Now, I've already had some of you asking for this as well. So the Rose Body Powder, tell me about this.
Okay, it's made with real roses, and it's got a little bit of rose essential oil from Bulgaria. From
Bulgaria, okay.
And it's to replace talc, and it's natural again. It smells lovely.
Oh,
it's not too strong.
No.
The colour is from the rose petals, and it's got zinc in there, rice and magnesium. So it's very, very, very cooling to the skin and calming to skin, especially if you've got inflammation. So you can use everywhere, on your private parts, and your armpit, wherever you want a little bit of powder.
Okay.
And
hi, Lydia. Good morning.
of course, because there is dangers now that they found out finally about talc.
Yes,
So
no talc.
You don't want to be using talc,
No.
especially down below
Okay, we
your
don't want
pubic
that.
area.
Okay.
So this is your alternative. You can also use this in combination with this if you need more dryness, but I don't think you need both. But people are liking it.
Okay.
And all these are plastic free, by the way.
Yeah, so there's rose and there's zinc in it, rice powder. So it's like magnesium, so it's like a little refresher.
Yeah, it's a
Okay.
mineral powder.
Oh, there's Melissa. We were just talking about your products. So we just went over the rose powder that you ordered. So I'm going to take one home for you. As well as the mascara that I owe a few of you. So the rose body powders are $36. And then we just did the deodorants, which were $29. And then one more product that we wanted to talk to you about today is, well, 2 more products. The foundation, concealer, and bronzer refills. This is a little bit of added value. So instead of getting a whole new plastic container, we're going to get a refill, which comes in, yeah, my pleasure, yes, the little compostable bags.
Yeah.
So you can actually just pour these into your package that you already have. So you can get a little refill here. This weighs nothing.
No.
So this is easy for shipping too,
Yeah.
which is great. So the refills, normally each individual one is $38. These are $30. So you save $8 by getting a refill. So if anyone needs a refill, we have the foundation refill in complexion number 1 and number 2. I'm currently, well, I'm a little tan from my vacation, so I'm wearing a number 2, but I usually in the winter wear number 1. And then we have the amazing, that yellow pigment concealer, which is like my BFF. Oh my gosh, this is a lifesaver. Makes me feel so alive when I've got dark circles. So $30 for the concealer, and then the bronzer refill is also $30. Hi, Spielman K. Okay, so if anyone needs a little refill, let me know. Then our mascara. Everyone that I owe a mascara to, you're getting it next week. I promise. They're coming home with me. Best mascara ever. The mascara feels like you don't, like when you touch your lashes, you barely feel it. It's like you're not wearing anything, and I'm totally in love with the mascara. I love all of your products. It's honestly all that I use. My new favorite thing is the makeup remover. The cleanser.
Oh, the cleanser.
Oh, it's so nice. It does not irritate your eyes whatsoever, and I will never ever use makeup wipes again.
Good.
You know what? Since I stopped, my skin has been better. So ladies, no more makeup wipes. They dry your skin out so much. So I've stopped. They're gone.
Good.
They're eliminated. Thank you for getting angry at me for using them. I needed that. Okay. Hi guys. Good morning. Hi Kylie. Hi Lena. I'm here with Jan from Aroma Shop. We're just introducing a few new products that we want to talk to you about, and then we're going to get a shipment together next week. So you still have some time to rewatch this. I know it's very early in the morning. And get your orders in if you want some of the new products. And I do have a lot of stock back home. I have the cleansers. I have the toners. I have the cucumber hydrosol. I have lip liners. I have eyeliners. I have eyebrow pencils. I'm now going to have mascara again. I think I have almost all of the main products. I have the complexion kits in 1 and 2, and I have eyeshadow kits. So I've got my own little apothecary at home, a mini aroma shop at home. I love it. Okay, and then so number 11 today is the mascara. Mascaras are $40. So mascaras are on the way if you ordered one. And then last but not least, our favorite product, the Phytotherapy Face and Eye Cream. I have stock in this. If anyone needs a refill, ladies, I have these in stock in Canada, so I can ship those to you as soon as I get back. They are $72, and then honestly, best cream ever. Comes in a little pump, so you're just pumping that onto your skin, and it is amazing. It is absolutely amazing. So, anything else we want to talk about? Any questions out there for Jan about the products? Again, this is just a kind of mini impromptu live, just to introduce some new stuff. So we'll just go over again what we showed today. So the Velvet Diffuse Veil is kind of like it's not a cream. Is it cream based? It's not,
like an ointment base, but it doesn't go on. When it goes on, it melts into the skin.
Not waterproof. Yeah.
No, it's not waterproof.
No.
So it melts in. It just covers up any open pores. I've got a brown spot here, and I use it just to cover up a brown spot. You can't see any brown spot there anymore.
Okay.
I just use this on there.
So, like, say if you're traveling and you don't want to take all of your brushes and powders with you, this is kind of like a mini version that you can just put on. So the bronzer is the Sun Glow. It kind of replaces the bronzer. They're $59. The Brighten Up is like the concealer, so that you're going to use in your eyes, around your nose, all your dark spots. And then the Blossom is kind of like the Blossom lipstick, which you can use on your lips if you just want to get like a natural little color on your lips. You can put some on your cheeks. So again, great for travel if you just want to have your little touch-ups with you.
And I also use them on the eyes as well. The Brighten Up I use underneath my eyeshadow, and on my eyes I've actually got a little bit of this bronzer on my eyes, on my eyelid as well.
Yeah.
So they're safe. They're not clogging the skin at all. They really actually help the skin. They've got castor oil in, which is very good for the skin as well.
Awesome.
I've just heard that castor oil also helps with collagen production in the skin as well.
Oh, okay.
So it is an anti-age.
Brighten Up for, okay, Melissa, I'm going to put that in my suitcase. with your other order. So ladies, you have time to watch this and get your orders into me. So you can give them to me now, but watch it later. And then we're definitely going to start stocking all of these products in Canada as well in my mini aroma shop. Okay, so then we talked about the deodorant. So we have the citrus and the lavender. So we can just talk about the deodorant again. They are $29.
Lavender.
Yep. So you're just kind of putting that on. So it's a very detoxifying.
The lavender stimulates the lymphatic system and also calms the system down. The citrus detoxifies the system. So if you're on a detox program and you want to sort of hasten, then you also can help with that. Also, lemon and grapefruit, which is in this, and mandarin, also helps with you. It's a beautiful smell. They're both beautiful smells. But they don't stain. They go on, you pop them on, and then it goes dry.
Beautiful.
It's got zinc in, and baking soda, organic arrowroot.
Okay.
So all very nice ingredients.
Yeah, so if you're looking for a new natural deodorant, we have it for you. So then we've got our refills, which I talked about, which is a little bit of an extra value for you. They are $30. So the foundation refill comes in a little compostable bag. So they're normally $38 for the individual ones. So $30, we have the number 1, the number 2, and then we have the concealer refill, and then we have the bronzer refill. And then of course, like I just talked about, the beautiful mascara that feels like you're not wearing any mascara, $40. I'm gonna have those in stock. And then I have all the other products in stock. So if anyone needs a cucumber hydrosol or a cleanser, best cleanser ever, throw away your makeup wipes, please. The face and eye cream or some of the toners. I've just, I had fun. Jen sent me a jug of the toner instead. So I had fun putting my gloves on and pretending I was a little scientist. And I had my daughters help me, actually. They thought it was really, really cool. So I have lots of toner in stock. And yeah. Okay, so this was just a mini live. Good morning, everyone. I know I didn't really warn you about this one, but I just wanted to jump on here with Jan while I'm here and let you know what the new and amazing products are. So we have lots of fans of your products in Canada. Yes. Yeah. Hi, Anna. Good morning. Okay, ladies. I'm going to end this now. So thank you so much for jumping on, and good morning to you all. Enjoy your coffee. Enjoy your tea. Have a beautiful day. I have not finished my invoicing yet from the fashion last night, so I'm going to get to work on that. And that was it. This is my last little show, and then I'm going to enjoy some family time the next couple days and head back to Canada on Monday. So I'll be very busy shipping all of your goodies next week. Can't wait. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay.
Bye
Have a beautiful day, everyone. Oh, did it turn off? Okay. End now.